Hi, my name is Gitari, and I'm the lead trainer at the Media Innovation Center at the Aga Khan University for the Innovators-In-Residence program. I'm here to tell you how to ace it at the pitch stage of the selection process. Pitching is all about storytelling. So here's your chance to finally tell the jury what your innovation is all about. So you've got to be really aware of who the audience is, what the context will be, what benefit you're trying to accrue from pitching, and what your goal is. So when you're thinking about how to tell this story, think about those 4 elements. What is the context? Who is the audience? What is your goal? And what is the benefit, not just for you, but also the audience? So have a keen sense of awareness of all of those elements. Don't forget that you'll be pitching virtually, and this is a very different format of pitching, unlike the face-to-face pitching. So you've got to think about a few things. One of them is the technology. Do you have a good laptop or computer? Do you have a good camera on your device? What about the sound? What about the lighting around you? Do you have good tools like earphones or headphones that you'll be using? Think about your background. Ensure there's no movement at the back that will distract the jury as you give your pitch. If you have a big team that's already working on your innovation, plan to have just 2 or 3 of the most important people there with you who can answer the questions that the jury will ask. Don't read your pitch. In as much as you won't be facing the jury on that day, don't read your pitch. People can tell when you're reading. So make a point of knowing your stuff so that you can tell your story in a way that sounds natural. The other thing you want to be aware of is eye contact. So you'll be looking at your laptop. Make sure you're facing the camera on your laptop or your PC. If you have a demo of your innovation, make sure you practice or make sure you plan to ensure it's working properly. Remember Murphy's Law, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So make sure it's working in perfect order, and when you're ready to roll, for the jury to experience it, that it's working in perfect order. In all these things, practice and practice well. Practice pitching virtually. Practice in front of your team, practice in front of your family. Let them give you feedback, and as they give you feedback, keep improving on your pitch before the pitch day. I hope those are helpful tips to you, and I wish you all the best.